Hello everyone, welcome to how to solve this very nice radical equation. The square root of x plus 33 minus square root of x plus 22 equal to square root of x plus 6 minus square root of x plus 1. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start. First we suppose that let a is equal to the square root of x plus 33 and b is equal to square root of x plus 22 and c is equal to the square root of x plus 6 and d is equal to the square root of x plus 1. If we square both sides, this implies that a squared equal to x plus 33. And if we square both sides, this implies that b squared equal to x plus 22. And if we square both sides, this implies that c squared equal to x plus 6. And if we square both sides of this equation, this implies that d squared equal to x plus 1. So this original equation will become a minus b equal to c minus d. Let's call this equation number 1. Now we multiply both sides by a plus b times c plus d. So this will become a minus b. We multiply by a plus b times c plus d. And at right hand side we have c minus d. We multiply by c plus d times a plus b. This a plus b times a minus b will become a squared minus b squared times this c plus d equal to this c minus d times c plus d will become c squared minus d squared times this a plus b. Now replace this a squared with this x plus 33 and replace this b squared with this x plus 22. So this will become x plus 33. Due to this negative sign, this x will become negative x and 22 will become negative 22 times this c plus d equal to, replace this c squared with this x plus 6 and this d squared with this x plus 1. So this will become x plus 6. Due to this negative sign, this x will become negative x and 1 will become negative 1 times this a plus b. This negative x will be cancelled out with this x and 33 minus 22 will become 11 times c plus d equal to, this negative x will be cancelled out with this positive x and 6 minus 1 will become 5 times a plus b. Distribute this 11, this will become 11 times c plus 11 times d equal to, distribute this 5, this will become 5 times a plus 5 times b. We can rewrite this equation as 5 times a plus 5 times b equal to 11c plus 11d. We recall equation 1. Equation 1 is a minus b equal to c minus d. Equation 1 is a minus b equal to c minus d. We multiply this equation by multiply this equation by 5, so this will become 5 times a minus 5b equal to 5 times c minus 5d. And we'll add this equation in this equation. This will become 5 times a minus 5 times b equal to 5 times c minus 5 times d. We add these two equations. This cancelled out and 5a plus 5a will become 10 times a equal to 11 plus 5 16 times c and 11 minus 5 plus 6 times d. If we divide both sides by 2, this implies that 5 times a equal to 8c plus 3 times d. Now we square both sides of this equation. So this left hand side will become 25a squared equal to 64c squared plus 9d squared plus 48 times cd. Move these two terms to the left hand side. This will become 25a squared minus 64 times c squared minus 9 times d squared equal to 48 times cd. Now recall that a squared equal to x plus 33, c squared equal to x plus 6 and d squared equal to x plus 1. Since a squared equal to x plus 33 and c squared equal to x plus 6 and d squared equal to x plus 1, so this will become 25 times x plus 33 minus 64 times x plus 6 minus 9 times x plus 1 equal to 48 times cd. Distribute this 25. This will become 25 times x plus 825. Negative 64 times x, negative 64x, and negative 64 times 6 will become negative 384. Negative 9 times x, negative 9x, negative 9 times 1, negative 9 equal to 48 cd. This negative 64 minus 9x will become negative 73x, and negative 73x plus 25x will become negative 48 times x. 825 minus 384 minus 9 will become plus 432 equal to 48 cd. Now from the left hand side we can factor out 48. In bracket left 9 minus x equal to 48 cd. If we divide both sides by 48, this implies that 9 minus x equal to cd. Now we square both sides again. This 9 minus x whole squared will become 81 minus 18 times x plus x squared equal to c squared times d squared. Place this c squared and d squared. C squared equal to x plus 6 and d squared equal to x plus 1. Since c squared equal to x plus 6 and d squared equal to x plus 1, so this will become 81 minus 18 times x plus x squared equal to x plus 6 times x plus 1. Expand this expression, this will become x squared plus x plus 6 times x plus 6. Further simplify, this will become x squared plus 7 times x plus 6. Left hand side we have this expression 81 minus 18 times x plus x squared. Subtract x squared from both sides. So this cancelled out, this cancelled out. Move this negative 18x to the right hand side and this 6 to the left hand side. This will become 81 minus 6 equal to 7 times x plus 18 times x. This will become 25 times x and this will become 75. If we divide both sides by 25, this implies that x is equal to 3. This is the final answer of this problem.